Aircraft lift control devices market. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global aircraft lift control devices market size will be $17,514.5 million in 2024. It will expand at a CAGR of 4.5% from 2024 to 2031. North America aircraft lift control devices market size of $7,005.80 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 2.7% from 2024 to 2031. Europe aircraft lift control devices market size of $5,254.35 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 3% from 2024 to 2031. Asia-Pacific aircraft lift control devices market size of $4,028.34 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 6.5% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America aircraft lift control devices market size of $875.73 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 3.9% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa aircraft lift control devices market size of $350.29 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 4.2% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.